living it up. Living things are people, animals, and plants. Guys, the first sentence of any paragraph is the main idea. Let's read it together. Living things are people, animals, and plants. So this paragraph talks about living things. This paragraph does not talk about engineers. This paragraph does not talk about your school. This paragraph talks about living things. What do they need? Move to the next sentence. What do they need? They need food, water, air, and space to live. Like us, we are human beings. We eat, we move, we breathe, we waste, and we die, right? Living. They grow and change. Absolutely, guys. Just like us, just like human beings, just like animals and plants. We have flowers, we have grass, and so on. Living things reproduce. Reproduce. This word consists of two parts. Re plus produce. The prefix re means again. Redo, to do it again. Reteach, to teach again. Reproduce, to what? To produce again. To make a new living thing. Look at the following picture. What do you see here? Label. Label the living things. Excellent. It's a cow. This cow is an animal. Animals are living things. Why? Because they eat, they move, they breathe, they waste, they reproduce, they change, they grow, they die. Even the grass is a living thing because it's plant. Even the flowers. Flowers are what? Kinds of plants, right? They grow, they change, they die. Label the living things, guys. This word was mentioned in your writing handbook. To label, to name the living things. What do you see here? Excellent, it's a bird. And bird is an animal. Animals are living things. Guys, look at the hatchlings. They are emerged chicks from what? From eggs. This is an egg. When it hatches, what does this word mean? Hatch, to break, right? When it breaks, a small chick will emerge from this egg. Look at them. They look like their parents. What about this living thing? Excellent, it's a tree. The tree needs air. The tree needs a space so the roots can extend. The tree also what? Needs the soil, which has nutrients. What about this living thing? Label it. Excellent, it's a dog. The dog needs air to breathe, needs food to grow up, needs space to move. What about these? Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sheep. Guys, do you know that we call this dog sheepdog? What about this animal? Excellent. It's a groundhog. Guys, we mentioned this word before in our English book. Hug, hug, hug. But this kind of hugs, what do we call it? Ground hug, because it keeps digging. This is a living thing too.